Today, we are solving WASSCE June 2007 question 5. This is an independent probability question involving two candidates. The probabilities of two candidates, A and B, passing an examination are 2 over 3 and 3 over 4, respectively. We are asked to find the probability that only one candidate will pass, and the probability that at least one candidate will pass. A equals candidate, A passes. B equals candidate, B passes. Probability of A equals 2 over 3. Probability of B equals 3 over 4. A complement equals candidate, A fails. B complement equals candidate, B fails. Probability of A complement equals 1 metasaturcinus probability of A. Probability of A complement equals 1 metasaturcinus 2 over 3. The probability that candidate A fails is 1 minus 2 over 3, which gives 1 over 3. Probability of B complement equals 1 metasaturcinus probability of B. Probability of B complement equals 1 metasaturcinus 3 over 4. The probability that candidate B fails is 1 minus 3 over 4, which gives 1 over 4. The two candidates are treated as independent. Probability of A intersection B equals probability of A times probability of B. Part A. Only one candidate will pass. For Part A, we want the probability that only one candidate will pass. Only one means exactly one candidate passes, and the other candidate fails. Only one passes. So this simplifies to equals. A passes and B fails. Or A fails and B passes. Since these two cases cannot happen at the same time, we add their probabilities. For the first case, candidate A passes and candidate B fails. For the second case, candidate A fails and candidate B passes. 2 over 3, 1 over 4 equals 2 over 12. One over 3, 3 over 4 equals 3 over 12. Probability of only one passes equals 2 over 12 plus 3 over 12. So this simplifies to equals 5 over 12. So the probability that only one candidate will pass is 5 over 12. If this explanation is helping, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step exam solutions. Now consider this step. Don't forget to subscribe for more exam solutions. Part B. At least one candidate will pass. Now we find the probability that at least one candidate will pass. At least one means candidate A passes, or candidate B passes, or both candidates pass. At least one passes. So this simplifies to equals 1 metaceturcinus, none passes. None passes equals a complement intersection B complement. Probability of none passes equals probability of a complement times probability of B complement. Probability of A complement equals 1 over 3. Probability of B complement equals 1 over 4. Probability of none passes equals 1 over 3, 1 over 4. So this simplifies to equals 1 over 12. Probability of at least one passes equals 1 metaceturcinus probability of none passes. So this simplifies to equals 1 metaceturcinus 1 over 12. Therefore, the probability that at least one candidate passes is 1 minus 1 over 12, which gives 11 over 12. So the probability that at least one candidate will pass is 11 over 12. Probability of only one passes equals 5 over 12. Probability of at least one passes equals 11 over 12. To summarize, the probability that only one candidate will pass is 5 over 12, and the probability that at least one candidate will pass is 11 over 12. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple and clear mathematics solutions.